ब्रेक्जिट के खिलाफ लंदन की सड़कों पर निकलने वाले शहरियों का कहना है कि थेरेसा मे अपने फैसले पर नजरसानी करे। यूरोप के साथ जुड़े रहना बरतानिया के मुस्तकबिल के लिए इंतहाई फ़ायदेमंद है। मुजाहरे में मकामी शहरियों के साथ साथ पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी ने भी भरपूर शिरकत की। इस मौका पर 92 न्यूज़ से गुफ्तगू करते हुए मुजाहिरीन ने क्या कहा, आइए देखते हैं।
Because I think Brexit is a very, very big and bad mistake that's going to be extremely detrimental to our country, to our welfare, to our industry, to our freedom of movement. It's just appalling.
Mexico, all the way from Mexico to support the European Union. It will be a grave mistake to say otherwise. I think this is a good thing for Britain. We're really happy that this is going on. And
I'm here. I am marching to ask for a second people's referendum on the final deal. I don't think it's fair. The Brexiters have had 2 years to negotiate. They've come up with nothing, and it looks like we're going for a shoddy deal or no deal. And I'd like my say on that.
This is not the will of the people, Theresa May. These are British people, and you are not executing the will of the people. Just look how many people think you are causing a train wreck. And I don't need to say anything. The people are talking, Theresa. You need to start listening.
Rhymes with dog shit, and that's where it ought to be. Scraped up and thrown away.
I agree.
More or less. I think it's just ridiculous that this is even happening. I think it's ridiculous that a campaign that was based on just so many lies, so many racist lies, is now being turned into some kind of stupid political reality. So
Why am I here today? I'm just walking around and checking out the march. It's really fascinating. It's insane.
Who are you supporting?
Sorry?
Who are you supporting, Brexit or?
Oh, I think Brexit's a terrible idea. I think it's so awful. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea.
is peace and freedom in Europe, and we will be walking away from that, and that's wrong.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Why are you here today?
Because of my love for Europe and everything in it, really, and for like all of my friends who are here, who are European, who want to stay, and just because, you know, I want to see the 27 other countries of the EU and go in, and freedom and everything else. Just
to be together in Europe. It's silly to leave Europe for silly reasons. Some guy called Farage made this statement and turned it into an immigration problem, which is not.
To fight for a people's vote on the final deal of Brexit, because the mess we're in at the moment, no one voted for, whether they remain, whether they leave, and I just want us to get out of the mess and sort of create a better future.
Because I think there should be a people's vote, a second one. I think the final deal is not something that everyone wanted, and I think it's
Because I want the establishment to listen to the masses. I feel that my country's voted in Parliament members are not respecting the will of the people.
Protesting, actually trying to get a people's vote instigated. I think that Brexit's been a massive waste of 2 years of normal parliamentary process in this country, and I can't see Brexit actually delivering any benefits. And I think it's all been like an absolute shambles and a bucket of lies. And really, the underlying current is fundamentally about racism and a clash of civilizations. And
We're here as part of a mass demonstration of people from all over the United Kingdom asking the government and MPs in that place over there to allow the public to have a final say on any terms the government come up with.
We're here to demand a people's vote on Brexit. The British people were told lies by the politicians. There was illegal activity by the Vote Leave campaign, and Brexit is not going to live up to the fantasy that was promised. So we want a final say, a people's vote on the deal when we know the facts.